The decision-making environment has evolved much in the last few years. If you're taking the first start, it's very much you went to see the bank manager and you had to wear a tie. Obviously I'd fail now. Data and the proliferation of data and credit reference agencies with decision engines, bringing that together, the landscape has totally changed so that we get to a more automated decisioning. And where we get to now is that more and more elements are looking at the proliferation of data and how we can harness that data to make effective decisions, but using models, using scores, using strategies to actually bring together both what is the risk of this customer, what can they afford, what's the right price for them, and how do you bring that together into a holistic decision to say, yes we can, or no we can't, but we can do this. But also it's now on its next stage of its journey through the proliferation of things like machine learning and the additional data that's becoming available. And the next question will be, how can we harness things like machine learning to enhance the decision-making process? Organisations should look to evolve both the scoring and the decision-making strategies by making optimal use of data. And one of the biggest challenges we actually find in the decision-making process is actually the ability to harness that data. So with open data and initiatives coming along, and with the proliferation of people's data, there's more and more of that information. And actually a lot of data is untapped and unutilised. So the key decision element is how do we bring that data together, both in an analytical environment, but also an operational environment, so we can really harness the power of data to make more effective and better decisions for the customers. A slick decision strategy aims to automate the journey and to automate the whole decision-making process. Organisations don't want manual decisions to be made, i.e. referring people out so that an expert can look at it, because that takes time, takes cost, and also is not what the customer wants. People want instant gratification. So the slick decision processes nowadays are looking at how can we make an effective decision immediately? How can we actually give the customer what they want, when they want it, within an effective and acceptable risk profile? So automation is the key.